In this video, I will show you how to post a GIF on Instagram. There are two methods. The first one is to head over to Google Play or Apple App Store and search for Giphy app. Download and install this app. After that, open the app and you can start searching for a GIF that you would like to post on Instagram. For this example, I will use a surprised cat GIF. Once you find something you want, tap on the share button here. Look for the Instagram icon and select it. This will take you to Instagram directly and allow you to choose feed and share it there. Input any additional details you want, and once you are satisfied, you can go ahead and tap the share button. Wait for Instagram to process it, and after a while, the GIF will be shared on your Instagram feed. If this does not work, use the second method. You can go back to the Giphy app. Select any GIF. Then tap on the share button once more. This time, select the Copy GIF link option. Then go to Google Chrome or Safari if you're on iOS. Type on the search bar GIPH to GIF.com. Go to the website and paste the link here. You may have to minimize the browser to see the option Download as an MP4. Tap on that, and the GIF will now be converted to video and saved on your phone. Now, go back to Instagram. Tap on the post icon and select the GIF that you have downloaded. Add details if necessary and proceed to tap Share. Wait for Instagram to finish processing and you have the GIF uploaded as well.